How to turn off AliExpress notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the AliExpress app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you basically have the AliExpress application installed on your iPhone and then you receive lots of notifications over here, right? You've allowed the notifications for this and then you receive lots of notifications. You would like to turn that off. You want to simply go and open the settings application here and then simply head over to notifications. When you head over to notifications, under this you should be able to find the AliExpress application under notification style. So you can tap on AliExpress here and then just turn off the toggle right next to AliExpress in order to disable notifications for this. After you do that, under the Siri tab you can go to Siri suggestions as well and then just look for AliExpress and then just make sure to turn off the toggle, and then you would have remove notifications for the AliExpress app. This way you will not get any sort of notifications from AliExpress on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.